Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the difference between high quality camera on an Audi and a low quality camera on an Audi. So in this case we have a handle camera, looks nice, looks clean, but very cheap camera, cost much cheaper than our. Now in the looks they look identical almost. This is our camera and this is second camera. So they're both replacing the handle, both looks nice. So you ask yourself, why would I pay much more just for, I don't know, a brand or something? Where is the difference? It looks identical, so where is the difference? So now we're gonna go to the screen and I'm gonna show you what is the difference. Okay, so the first camera we're gonna show you is the no-name one. Lower quality, again, cheaper camera, and we'll show you exactly what is the differences. So as you can see, the camera pictures are not the cleanest, not the nicest, but if you can see our garage door, it almost looks square. Our garage door is not square, but this one makes everything looks very puffy, not really giving you a reality picture. So objects behind you looks very puffy, very wide, and it's very hard to determine how close you are to an object when the picture is not really reflecting on reality picture. You just, yes, you can see something there, but it's not the best. Also, we have noticed when the car is running, we have lots of flickering, but that could be a power issue. But mainly about the quality of the picture. Now we're gonna check the other camera, and we'll show you the same on the other camera. So now we're gonna show you our camera. So we did not install the camera, we just put it next to the other one, but just for the video. But as you can see, it reflects a more reality picture. You can see that our garage door is narrow and tall. You can see all the wiring rolls all look like a roll and not like oval. You can see our creeper looks like a real creeper and not just a square red plastic. So you get a better quality picture and it looks more real. That way it's easier for you to determine what's behind you, how big it is, and how close you are to it. And also one thing that unfortunately right now we can't show because we have light, is that at very low light at night, our camera uses a very little light just to show a very clean picture. The lower quality ones, at low light, it all looks grainy, does not look clean. Many times you can't really see well. So again, the cameras looks pretty much identical. The difference on the cost is usually pretty big, sometimes $100, $200. But when you use it for your safety and when you actually want to use it, that is where the big difference. In this case, we actually had the customer coming over since the other camera does not show a real picture. And what happens is that it doesn't actually enjoy using it. It looks for him more dangerous than safe. So if you guys want to have a proper backup cameras installed on different vehicles, you can come by our shop. We will give you prices. You can always subscribe to our channel on the left corner, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.